Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2021 Ford F-150 regular cab vehicle. Is a beautiful truck all the way through. Really good miles in it. Backup camera, parking sensors in the rear. Really nice condition. Beautiful condition. Good miles in it. Really nice shape. Tires look great. Really a nice looking truck all the way around. Let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Front bumpers in beautiful condition. Really nice. Very nice shape. Take a look at those headlamps. Amazing condition. Grille's in beautiful shape. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. Super sharp. Looks amazing. Let's take a look at the windshield now. Windshield looks good. Didn't see any chips or anything on it. Super clean. Very nice. Can't get any better than that. Front fender on the driver's side looks amazing. Nothing to show there. No marks or anything. Driver door's in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice. Really great shape. Take a look at that mirror. Mirror's in beautiful condition. Looks like it has heater on it. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Bedside on the driver's side looks amazing. Looks really nice. Clean throughout. Really great condition. Really beautiful shape. Okay, let's walk around the rear of the truck. Tailgate's in beautiful shape. This one has a backup camera, parking sensors. It's got a tow hitch on it. Really nice. On the passenger side, bedside looks good. Really nice. Beautiful condition. It's got a tiny little mark right there. A little light scratch right there. Nothing major. Taking a look at the passenger side door. Door looks amazing. Super clean. Really great shape. Take a look at the mirror also. Beautiful condition throughout. And the front fender on the passenger side looks amazing. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Let's take a quick look at the roof. Oh yeah, this is a really nice shape. No scratches, no dents in here. Looks super, super clean. Really great condition all the way through. Okay, that pretty much concludes our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a little test drive. Be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the controls. Power locks, power windows. Really nice features. Look at the armrest. Beautiful shape. It's got some storage here on the door. Beautiful condition. Take a look at that driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Super clean. It's got a little scuff right there. Besides that, looks amazing. Take a look at these seats. Really nice shape. Seats 3 passengers. Rubber floors in beautiful shape. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Take a look at the roof. Also in beautiful shape. Look at the headliner there. Very nice condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Super clean throughout. Looks brand new. Look at the armrests. Take a look at the controls. Power window, power locks. It's got a little pocket there for storage. Down below, also more storage. Take a look at the passenger seat. Very nice condition. Very comfortable seat. Look at that. Super nice. Rubber floors are in beautiful condition. Very nice. Dashboard's in beautiful shape. Looks super, super clean. Really nice conditions. It does have a couple little scuffs here on the dash. Nothing major. It's a work truck anyway. Beautiful condition throughout. Okay, here we go. We're going to start this baby up. So we've got one key fob here. Lock, unlock, and panic. And we have one valet key. Okay, let's go ahead and start this one up. Put the key in, hold the brake, start it right up. There you go. Look at that. Really nice display. Take a look at that there. Beautiful. Okay, let's look at the mileage on this one. The mileage on this one is 58,723 miles. Look at that. Fantastic. Okay, let's move over here to the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really amazing shape. Very nice. Take a look at the steering wheel. This one's in beautiful shape. It's got a lot of extras on it for being an XL. All the controls here on the steering wheel. So it's got Bluetooth on it. Super nice. Cruise control on the steering wheel here. Very nice. Let's take a look here. Lock and lock. Power mirrors, power locks. Automatic transmission with manual modes right here. Super nice. If you take a look at the dash, it's got oil pressure, temperature, fuel, and transmission temperature. All that's really nice to have there on the screen. Dashboard looks beautiful. Look at that really nice display there. This one's got backup camera and backup sensors. Look at that. It's a nice feature there. Really nice radio. Let's see, we'll bring it down a little bit here. You can see the radio station is on. You've got your Bluetooth, you've got your apps. It's a touch screen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can connect that. Get some of the features here on it. Really nice. It's really nicely equipped. Down below here, you've got I'm guessing this is for the drive modes here. You can adjust that. Check it out. Normal. Turn it again. Slippery. Trail. That's super cool. Tow haul. Econo. Sport. We'll leave it on sport for now. That's super nice. So this little dial here will take you where you need to go on that. I believe this is for the towing here. You got a 12 volt here. You got a power plug here. Look at that for regular power, 120. USBs. Another 12 volt. Control for the AC and the heater. Super nice. Okay, let's take a look at the glove box. Here we go. Glove box is nice and clean. Look at that. It's got another secondary glove box there on top. With this button, you press it, it opens up right away. Super nice. Really nice condition. I mean, I don't think you can get any clearer than this. Beautiful. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Really beautiful F-150. Super smooth. Feels really nice. Brakes feel good. Fantastic. Really smooth ride. Coming up on another light here. I'm going to go ahead and check the brakes again. Stops perfect. Shifts super nice. Really nice drive. Amazing. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our test drive. We're going to go ahead and put it in reverse so we can check out the backup camera. Super nice. Look at that. Beautiful. This is also a nice feature the backup camera has. This one has sensors here. Take a look there. So as you get closer, it shows you right here when you're getting close to something. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Listen to this vehicle idle. Runs really smooth, very nice. Looks brand new. Really nice condition. 3.3 liter. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire's in great shape. Look at that. Really nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in beautiful shape. Tire's in really nice condition. Rim's clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a little scratch right there. Besides that, looks amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in great shape. Good amount of tread on there. Looks amazing. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Really nice shape. Good amount of tread on there. Look at that tire. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, let's take a look at the back here. You have your plugs for your trailer hitch here. Very nice. Got your parking sensors on the rear bumper. It's a nice feature on this vehicle. Backup camera. Bed's in beautiful shape. Look at the bed liner. Looks amazing. Really great condition. Super nice shape. It's got here the little step that comes out. You can get up there nice and easy. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2021 Ford F-150 XL regular cab. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please visit our website, novaautosales.net, or give us a call at 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.